If you want to scan a document on Xiaomi 17, in that case you want to open the camera app, and then over here in these different camera modes you should be able to find documents. Now you should be able to point at your document, and then once it is highlighted you want to use the shutter button, of course. There we go. And we can easily keep going, we can keep adding more and more pages until you are done. But once you are done, you should be able to tap on the preview in order to, of course, see your document. You can tap on this document icon over here in order to open editing tools, and that you can, of course, use in order to fix some stuff if needed. At the top over here, we can use the original view, the original coloring of the document. You can also switch to black and white, or you can use enhanced in order to make it look more like a proper page. So if I try to do this, there we go, let's capture a photo. There we go, as you can see, here's the difference. So this is with the enhanced option and this is without. So definitely worth checking out. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.